Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chase Mobile for crypto budgeting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Chase Mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Chase Mobile and download the app. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up to create your account. Enter your personal information, including your name, social security number, and date of birth. Provide your address and phone number. Create a secure username and password for your account. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Chase Mobile app and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Money section. Select Budgets from the menu options. Now, click on Add a Budget or Crypto Budgeting. Follow the prompts to set up your crypto budgeting preferences. Input your crypto investments or transactions to keep track of your spending. Set monthly spending limits and goals for your crypto activities. Review your budget to ensure it meets your financial needs. Save your settings and return to the dashboard. You can now monitor your crypto expenses directly in the app. Familiarize yourself with the features available for tracking progress. Check in regularly to adjust your budget and spending as needed. This will help ensure responsible management of your cryptocurrency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.